Hi, I'm Donald Taylor. I'm the chairman of the Learning Technologies Conference and author of Learning Technologies in the Workplace. Wherever I go in the world and whoever I talk to in our field of learning and development, the same issues keep cropping up about technology, engagement, and value. Those are some of the issues which we're looking to tackle at the Learning Technologies Conference. Our aim is to provide both inspiration, and we've got some great big picture speakers, and also information and practical down-to-earth advice. How do you do this stuff? Plus also, of course, great networking opportunities where people can learn from each other. The ultimate aim is that on Friday morning, back in the office, there are practical things ready to do to make your learning and development work more effective. I've been in this field for over 30 years and I love it. I love the things we do, the things we learn, what we make happen, and particularly, I love meeting new people. I hope we'll have a chance to meet at Learning Technologies, at the conference or the exhibition, on February 13th and 14th in London. I hope to see you there.